Hey guys, I made the second part of my video, and for this one I made the pose, and as you can see I keep everything editable, separated, and let's see, I will select the geomesh, and if I show my geomesh you will see I will be able to see the result I will have once I will apply everything. Okay, so this is pretty nice. I have a great workflow in my opinion, because you keep everything editable, and once everything is done, is okay, is validated, you can apply everything. And with this geomesh tool you can see what you will have and see the different parts combined directly like that. So I made the front part, and I just had to duplicate some parts to make the back part here, and it was really fast. Okay, so this is nice. So let's hide this one. I will show you the final result for all the dog. You will see. Once again, I did not apply anything. This is the geomesh here. And when I show, I will apply I will show the modifier. That's why it takes some time. But as you can see what you will have as a result. You can detail some parts like the paw and the head, and after that you can continue on some other part, and everything is fully editable. And also I used EasyRef. I used some camera references to fit my details like that. The paw, and I need to edit this one, and some ref if I want to work on the paw here and to see some other details here. So this is nice. I have here I will hide this one, the review. So if now I show the review, I will have my different reference like that, and I will be able to work on some part and see some other part here. So if I want to go on the head, I can. If I want to go on the paw, I can. So as you can see, this workflow is pretty nice. I cannot work without this one right now.